This is the rainy part of the island. A wet side, the windward side. Over 150 inches of rainfall a year on this side of the island.
What are the name of the trees down here?
The ones they look like they're in the Lion King, right? The movie The Lion King? That's it. That's an African albizia.
So are they introduced?
Say again?
Were they introduced?
Yeah, they were actually imported here. They did way too well, or they do it way too well. On some of the islands, like Hawaii, they're considered an invasive species. They actually moved onto the island of Kauai from big storms. They originally didn't want them on Kauai. You're gonna see the poly off your left there, the poly pass. This mountainous terrain is beautiful, isn't it?
It's always covered in cloud like this.
Put that microphone a little bit closer so I can hear you better, sorry.
Is it always covered in cloud?
Typically, yes. I would say 80% of the time. The wind, our trade winds blow right to left, northeast to southwest. And so typically with the clouds you need a lifting action, so the wind actually pushes the moisture up and they sit above the ridge line. You're going to see the bay off your right. That's where we're going to head, this beautiful bay. It's Kaneohe Bay. You're going to see a big airplane. See him, he's kind of pointed straight at us and he's going to land right at that runway off your right. Big marine base. See him? That's probably one of the biggest military airplanes there is. That's a C-17. You'll see it. It will get really big when it turns on its side. Pretty cool looking, huh? This is a beautiful sandbar out here. It's like a beach out in the middle of the ocean. Water is anywhere from ankle to waist deep, just really depends on the tide. to see a beautiful backdrop out in front of us you might recognize from the movie Jurassic Park Lost World. That backdrop is in half a dozen different scenes as well as this helicopter. That's right, that backdrop right there, as well as this helicopter, identical to the one in the movie. That was actually one of ours. See? You're a movie star. See that? Oh, wow. I can't believe they're still out here. If you look right in the middle of the beach, you can see them moving left to right. Right there in the middle.
What are we looking for?
You see the dinosaurs?
Oh, there they are.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, I had to do it. This beautiful valley up ahead is the Ka'ava Valley. Lots of beautiful tours here, all part of the Kualoa Ranch. Horseback rides, ATVs, zip lines. So lots and lots and lots of famous movies filmed back here. There's the beautiful Kualoa Ranch. A beautiful valley up ahead, Kahana Punaluu.